Even a 5-year-old can make an amazing Shakeology smoothie. Go for it, Priella.
Okay, we're gonna use 2 handfuls of this.
And what is that?
That is a peach.
Oh, okay. Frozen fruit?
Yes.
All right. And what's next?
And we are gonna use 2 spoons of this.
And what is that?
This is coconut milk.
Ooh, look at that. Delicious.
And one more.
Nutritious. Get a big gob in there, huh? Add 1 more scoop for good measure.
And we are gonna do 1
There.
scoop.
Okay. Then what?
And then we are gonna use this.
What's that?
This is Shakeology mix.
1 scoop of Shakeology mix?
And then we are gonna dump in this water.
Okay. Woohoo!
Now we are gonna start the Shakeology mix.
All right, let's put the cover on. It's over here.
Now,
And push play. Oop, we gotta plug it in.
and here it goes.
There it goes. Is it gonna taste
Done. There's the Shakeology.
good? Good job.
Taste
test.
Let's see. That is the yummiest meal ever. Nutrition.